Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to the official Wish Week here on Going Guitar and the official Fit Music You Wish for song. And it's Skele and Powfu's Fall in Love. So we meet again, Skele and Powfu. You've been here on this channel before, and this time we're gonna do this song Fall in Love. Hope you, Fit Music, will enjoy this and all you fans out there. Now let's go into it, and we're gonna use no capo for this one. Let's go into the chords. I believe we have 5 different chords to handle here, so let's start with the F sus2. All right, so that goes 3rd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. That's the F sus2. A minor 7 next. That will be open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have C next. Very easy. You just add on the 3rd fret A string to that A minor 7. So that gives us 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. That's the C. And then we have the F major 7. And that will be 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And finally we have the G6 at 11 if you want to be technical about it. So it goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so we have this very picky part of the song, or it goes actually through the entire song. It's a melody in the background, and it goes in the same way from the beginning till the very end. We're gonna start with that, and we're gonna start slowly, of course. This goes pretty fast, so you have to practice slowly. The patterns are easy, but it goes pretty fast, so just want to mention it. Now let's go into the F sus2. That's how it starts. So grab that chord. You're gonna play these 3 notes 8 times in a row to start with. So 3rd D, open G, and 1st B. 8 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're gonna play the A minor 7. It's enough for this melody to just hold the 1st fret B string. And you're gonna play that part for 6 times. So open A, open G, and 1st B. 6 times, so. And then you're gonna add the 3rd fret A string and just hold that. That's a part of the C chord. And play that part for 2 times. So it's 3rd A, open G, and open B. Okay? 2 times of that. So far we learned F sus2, 8 rounds of that. Then we have the A minor 7 part, 6 times of that, and then 2 times of the C part. So far it sounds like this, a little bit slower than standard. Okay, then comes the F part here. We're gonna start with the F major 7 and have some switches on that. So you hold the full chord as it is, and you're gonna play this to start with. So you're gonna play 3rd fret D string, 2nd G, and 1st B. That's the 1st round. Then the 2nd round will be, so that is 3rd D, 2nd G, and open high E. Then you repeat that again, so you play the F major 7, 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and then again 3rd D, 2nd G, and open E. So you alternate these 2, so it goes like this. And then you stay for another 3 rounds of that 3rd D, 2nd G, and open high E. And then you go back for 1 round and play the F major 7, 3rd D, 2nd G, and 1st B. And and that is kind of the F part of it, okay? This is the hardest part in the melody. So to summarize it, we have the F major, 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, to alternate with the 3rd D, 2nd G, open high E, 2 times. Then you continue with that 3rd D, 2nd G, open high E for 3 times. And then 1 time of the F major, 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B. Then you go to the G6 chord. It's enough to just hold the 3rd fret E string in the bass and the 1st B. You're gonna play this part for 7 rounds. So it's 3rd fret E string, open G, and 1st B. 7 rounds of that will be. And the 8th round, the last round, you lift off this 1st fret B string and get that open instead. So you're gonna play 3rd E string, open G, and open B. And that is the last note of this sweet little melody. And yeah, it's a challenge. Start slowly, work your way up, get comfortable with first grips and so on, and then just speed up gradually. I can go through this 1 time slowly and then speed up to standard tempo. Let's go slow first. So there you have that melody, cool one. And yeah, that is the challenge. Now over to the strumming, and we have 2 ways of do this. Okay, we're gonna start slowly. So we're gonna use a strumming pattern. If you grab the 1st chord, the F sus, that goes down, down, clap, down. Okay, so in that tempo or something like that. Anyway, down, down, clap, down. So we're gonna play the F sus 2 strumming rounds, 2 full. Then you shift to A minor and play 1 full round plus down, down. So and then you shift to C and play clap down only. Okay, so together it goes like this. Okay, then you continue with the F parts. You're gonna play just 2 full rounds of the F major 7. And then you go to the G6 and play 2 full rounds of that. Alright, so together it sounds like this. Now we can take this to level number 2 when it comes to strumming, and we're gonna add the down up instead. So now 1 full strum round will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, so if you grab the 1st chord, F sus, it goes like this. So basically what you do here is to place an up after every down. So down, up, then comes the clap. That replaces the down, and then comes the up, down, up. So it makes very sense here to just add on up here, because it adds intention and like energy when you play like that. So we need to go through this again. So you play 2 full rounds of down, up, clap, up, down, up. And then A minor 7, you're gonna play down, up, clap, up, and then down, up, down, up. And then you shift to C and play clap, up, down, up. And then you go to F major 7 and play 2 full rounds of down, up, clap, up, down, up. And the same for the G6 chord, 2 full rounds. So together with this added strumming, it goes like this. Anyway, my friends, that is how you handle Skele's and Powfu's Fall in Love. So yes, official Fin Music, thank you for being here. I hope you will be back. That's a little bit threatful in my voice, but yeah, that is what I wish for. If you wished on Guitar Guitar, I wish back that you will come back here and we have a circle of trust there. Anyway, thank you for being here. The Wish Week is fabulous. I love to do these songs for you guys, so continue to wish on this channel. Perhaps it's your song next time. Hope to see you soon, and play tuned.